Come on back up and do the other one. There he comes. Back up the hill. This one's a little wider. This is more of a little chute here. We're going to build a jump a little bit higher up here so you can jump, and then we're going to build the bank up more. It's done a little melting over the last couple days, so we need to raise it back up to keep it from going over the side.
Number 2.
Luckily, the bank looks a lot closer to the fence than it really is. You got about 3 feet from the back side of the bank to the fence, so pretty safe. All right, go ahead. There he goes.